Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Daniel Tiger and his family are going on an adventure with our train book. And there's our little wind-up train. There's two drivers, and on the other side is a little puppy dog sticking his head out the window. Ready to go on our train adventure? This is our first route. As you can see, there's all sorts of farmland the train will be traveling through. I see cows and a tractor. And on the other side is the apple tree station. This is where it says start here, go this way. That's where the train will begin. Everybody find their spot. Daniel Tiger will go at the starting point. The father will go with the sheep in the farmland. And Mom Tiger will go right beside him near the river. And baby Margaret will be right at the bottom of the page. We need to wind up our train. Oh dear, Daniel Tiger got knocked down. Whoa, look at the train going around, everyone. It's staying on the train tracks. The train has stopped. It's time to turn the page and go to a new town. Oh boy, look at this town. There's the apple tree station where the train will start. And there's more farmland with sheep, ponies, cows. And I see a fun fair and a water park. Oh boy, I bet Daniel Tiger and baby Margaret will want to go there. Baby Margaret goes to the fun fair. Daniel Tiger goes to the water park. Mom Tiger goes to the campground. And Dad Tiger goes to the farm. Let's wind up our train again. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.